This is a quick tutorial on how to create products within PrintOps. So if you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you've already created an account and a store. So once you log into your PrintOps account, you'll be forwarded to the dashboard. And here you can see your orders, shipments, and stores. We're going to go into this store right here, the tutorial store. And to create a product, we want to go down to the products card and click the Create Products button. The first thing we want to do is select our image. And once that gets uploaded, we're going to need to fill out this form here. Now, the first option is the scale option. And to demonstrate how this works, we're going to do a square poster and select these different options. So the first option that's default is fit proportionally within sheet. So what that means is that it's going to scale this image and maintain its aspect ratio to fit within the print area. Now, if you wanted to fill that and have your image still maintaining the aspect ratio, you'd want to do fill sheet proportionately. So that's going to center the image and fill it to the max print area. The third option, if you wanted to completely fill the sheet and print 100% of the image, this is what it'll look like. And you can see it distorts it because it's kind of smushing the image down to fit. The third option, which really we don't want to use unless we've got a PDF file or a JPEG that's actually print ready, because what this does is it's going to it's going to scale the image to 100% size. So here you can see it's, probably 72 dpi, and the native size here is 53 by 35. So we don't want to do that. We're going to do the first one. Go back to poster and select our size of a 12 by 16. But we can see that doesn't quite fit. So maybe we want to do 11 by 17, but you can see that this doesn't quite fit either. So we're going to go back to 12 by 18. Now for the name, you just want to put in a name that represents the image. The SKU field, this is pretty important. This is going to be the identifier of this image and poster. So you want it to be descriptive but simple, and there can't be any spaces in the name. Another note about the SKU, if you're using a service like Shopify or Etsy or another e-commerce platform, you'll definitely want this SKU to match the variant that you're going to sync to. So if you have this poster and it's 3 different sizes and you have a drop-down menu, each one of those sizes is a variant. So we'll want this to match the SKU on that particular variant. For this description, you can do whatever you want. I'm just going to copy this down to make it easy. And then you just click submit. And so what that's going to do is create it and create the thumbnail. And here it is, and we're ready to go.